The most popular organizations in this day and age are giants like Apple Inc. and Microsoft Inc. Nonetheless, tech organizations are delegated penny stocks that appear to perform well. Would you believe if we say that almost 2,000% returns are possible on some of these? It's true! Hello, future billionaires! Welcome to Pennystock Lifestyle, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. In today's video, we'll look at penny stocks in which 2,000 returns are possible. Before we go ahead, click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to receive post notifications from our channel. Alright, let us get started. Penny stocks commonly exchange at $5 per share or less. Putting resources into penny stocks can be exceptionally unsafe and may involve higher exchanging costs. Even though some penny stocks exchange on huge trades, for example in the New York Stock Exchange (NYSE), most exchanges occur using the over-the-counter (OTC) sales through the Electronic OTC Bulletin Board (OTCBB) or the exclusive OTC Markets Group. There is no exchanging floor for OTC exchanges. Quotations are entirely done electronically. Let us understand penny stocks better, shall we? Earlier, penny stocks were viewed as any stocks exchanged for short of $1 per share. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has changed the definition to incorporate all offers trading under $5. The SEC is a free government office answerable for protecting financial investors as they keep up reasonable and efficient securities markets. Penny stocks are typically connected with small organizations and trade rarely. It means that they have an absence of liquidity or prepared purchases in the commercial center. Accordingly, financial backers may think that it's hard to sell stock since there may not be any purchasers around then. Investors may experience issues discovering a value that precisely reflects the market on account of the low liquidity. Because of their absence of liquidity, wide bid-ask spreads or value statements, and small organization sizes, penny stocks are for the most part viewed as profoundly speculative. Investors could lose a sizable sum or even gain a lot. Penny stocks offered on the commercial center are regularly developing organizations with restricted money and assets. Since these are small organizations, penny stocks are generally appropriate for investors who have a high capacity to bear risk. Usually, penny stocks have a more significant level of instability, bringing about a higher potential for remuneration, and hence a more elevated level of natural danger. Investors may lose their whole venture on a penny stock. Considering the uplifted danger levels related to putting resources into penny stocks, investors should play it safe. For instance, an investor ought to have a stop-loss request predetermined before entering an exchange and understand what value level to exit if the market moves inverse of the proposed bearing. Stop-loss orders put forth a value line that, once reached, will trigger an automatic sell of the securities. Although penny stocks can have hazardous gains, it is critical to have sensible expectations and comprehend that penny stocks are high-risk ventures with low exchanging volumes. Now that we know everything we need to know about penny stocks, let us get to the point. This specific penny stock has the potential of reaching 2,000% returns. Can you guess which? It is the RLTR penny stock. What is RLTR? ReelTime Rentals Inc., or ReelTime VR, is a publicly traded organization started in Seattle, WA. ReelTime is occupied with creating, delivering, and appropriating virtual reality content and technologies. They have end-to-end creation, altering, and appropriation abilities for internal and external tasks. In 2015, ReelTime VR dispatched a virtual reality stage that made virtual reality available worldwide at a quality that was never seen before. ReelTime has gotten effectively occupied with creating and delivering an end-to-end cutting-edge virtual reality suite and carrying out a virtual reality distribution stage. ReelTime has kept creating virtual reality content, which can be seen on its restrictive portable stage employing the ReelTime VR application, the Samsung Gear VR, Oculus-based distribution, YouTube, and Facebook. ReelTime expects to launch its content and different distribution portals as they arise. ReelTime Rentals works as a mixed media organization, creating, delivering, and dispersing computer-generated reality substance and innovations in the United States. It offers discounted media and promotion administrations, incorporating internet, TV, print, radio, and office commercial. It also serves as a platform for creating and distributing virtual reality substances, advances, and media. Further, it offers VR shows, consulting, creation, monetization, VR configuration set, media mission, and substance creation. What's more, it gives an augmented simulation app, which is innovatively cutting edge. The organization was formed in 2004 and is based in Kenmore, Washington. The current cost of 26 cents crossed the support at $0.21 and exchange between $1.44 resistance and $0.21 support lines. Over the time of March and April, the cost encountered an 11% uptrend. During the 7 days from April 23rd to April 30th, the stock delighted in a 6% uptrend development. Let us look at the technical analysis of RLTR Pennystock in two lenses. Firstly, we will look at bearish trends and move on to a more positive outlook, or bullish trends. 1. Bearish trend analysis of RLTR. RLTR broke over its upper Bollinger Band on April 22, 2021. This could indicate the stock is set to drop as the stock moves back underneath the upper band and toward the center band. Experts who believe this trend say that you might need to think about selling the stock or investigating put choices. The Arun indicator for RLTR entered a descending pattern on April 22, 2021. This could show a solid descending move is ahead for the stock. Brokers might need to think about selling the stock or purchasing put options. That said, let us now move on to a more optimistic view of the RLTR stock. 2. Bullish trend analysis of RLTR. The stochastic indicator proposes that the stock value pattern might be inverted from a descending pattern to an upward pattern. There are about 38 situations where RLTR's stochastic oscillator left the oversold zone, which brought about an increment in cost. Tickeron's investigation recommends that the chances of a proceeded with an upward pattern are high. The momentum indicator moved over the zero level on April 22, 2021. You might need to consider a long position or call alternatives on RLTR therefore. In 108 past cases where the force market moved over zero, the stock kept on climbing. The chances of a proceeded with an upward pattern are very high. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, for RLTR just turned positive on April 22, 2021. Considering past occurrences where RLTR's MACD turned positive, the stock kept on ascending in 52 cases over the next month. The chances of a proceeded with upward pattern seem to be very likely. RLTR moved over its 50-day moving average on April 28, 2021, showing a change from a descending pattern to an upward way. Following a plus 7% 3-day advance, the cost is assessed to become further higher. Considering information from circumstances where RLTR progressed for 3 days in 103 cases, the value rose further within the next month. The chances of a proceeded with the upward pattern are 82%. We now have a more objective technical analysis of the RLTR stock. Some experts agree that the value may increase to about $1,500 to $2,000. How is that possible? Let us look at the reasons. ReelTime VR, or ReelTime Media, has affirmed that it's set to dispatch real-time media channels on the Amazon Fire TV streaming stage. The real-time TV channels have started appearing on Roku as declared a week ago and will be available on Amazon Fire TV in the coming weeks. The real-time TV stations will join known products now accessible like ESPN, CBS, NBC, AMC, HGTV, CNN, and others who have dispatched channels on Amazon Fire TV. The real-time TV channels will contain a blend of real-time media original programming, while also presenting extra, exciting, innovative content. Along the US, Fire TV is in critical domains like Mexico, Brazil, India, Japan, and across Europe, with clients streaming billions of hours of content consistently. Beryl Henthorne, CEO of RLTR, said, "The addition of Amazon Fire TV network to the real-time TV distribution network provides real-time with additional advertising inventory, with a potential reach of active users of over 100 million per month. It will allow us to monetize further completed productions while attracting advertisers to current and future productions. It will also introduce our unique programs to a much larger audience overall." Roku and Amazon Fire TV are in a conflict for the most well-known cord-cutting streaming choice, with a consolidated viewership of more than 100 million month-to-month active clients. As per another overview, more individuals now pay for a real-time video service than those who buy traditional TV services. Apart from that, ReelTime has officially presented an application as a seasoned company seeking to transfer equity and debt securities from another US exchange to be recorded on the Nasdaq Capital Market Exchange. The application has been signed in the Nasdaq Listing Center, all relevant charges have been paid, and a posting investigator has been allotted to ReelTime to help all through the interaction. The company has also applied for a new symbol RT instead of RLTR on Nasdaq. This will be approved once the company has met all quantitative and qualitative criteria. So consider everything for a moment. RLTR is a stock exchanging at $0.25 with a float of 16 to 20 million uplisting to Nasdaq. What do you feel that the cost per share will be? If volume got in the OTC, you could see 1,500 to 2,000+% runs on this penny stock. What do you think about this analysis? Let us know in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends. For more content that would inspire you to become future billionaires, keep watching Pennystock Lifestyle.